We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2017 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special in Superior Blue. We have dual disc braking on the front, and we also have ABS. So we have engine guards with the pods, rider floorboards with a heel toe shifter, passenger pegs, and there is also a tour pack with a passenger backrest installed as well. We have locking saddlebags, beautiful chrome engine detailing, and this is all on the 107 Milwaukee 8 engine. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.